Now, what's an interview? See, interviews are the time to sell our own self. The thought of interview itself is a daunting one. It's a scaring one. We begin to sweat. People go nervous. Body begins to shiver. Face goes red. It happens to everybody. And it will happen to you even. So that's not an issue. The issue is about presenting yourself before the interview panel. And interviews are not just about answering questions. It's about making a sales presentation on your own self. Let me give an example to make you to understand what does this presentation mean. See, you have got an opportunity here to make a presentation on your own self because they have asked you a question and you have got total opportunity here to give the best presentation on your own self. You shouldn't lose this opportunity. I'll give an example of how this presentation works. For example, you go for a birthday party and what you do is you purchase a costly pen. It costs around $1,000. And what you do is you just put it in a newspaper, wrap it and just give it to him. He will take it and he will just see and then put it somewhere else. Now there's another person who comes and he gives a similar pen, but it costs just 100 rupees. But what he does is he puts it into a nice packing. He wraps it in a nice gift form and then he gives it to his friend. What that friend does is he receives it, opens it and cherishes it forever. This is what is a wrapping of a gift, and this is what is making presentation on your own self. That is the importance of wrapping our presentation. What we have to speak there, what we have to talk there is so important. You have to present your knowledge, your skills, your abilities in such a way that it impacts the HR and he is bound to hire you. तो इस तरह से होता है, अगर आप इंटरव्यू में जा रहे हैं तो किसी को भी घबराहट होती है और घबराहट होना कोई नई चीज़ नहीं, सबके साथ होती है। लेकिन आपको ध्यान ये रखना है कि आप वहाँ अपना प्रेजेंटेशन करने गए हैं जिसमें आप अपने ज्ञान, अपने कौशल और इन सब को आप कैसे इस्तेमाल करने वाले हैं इसके बारे में आप उनको बता सकें। तो आपको ध्यान रखना है, आपको अपनी पैकेजिंग बहुत बढ़िया ढंग से करनी है।